Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Real quick here, I'm in the back of my local grocery store and just noticed they've got a whole bunch of food grade 5-gallon buckets back here. So I just made a call real quick and they said that it was all right to grab some of these to reuse them. Yeah, so if you're looking for any buckets or anything you might need to make some of our 5-gallon water wicking buckets, or you just wanted to use for other types of pots. In fact, some of these it looks like are even smaller than 5 gallons, and then they got some 5 gallons and even some square ones here, but I'm sure these are all food grade, really great to use for your garden. So call your local grocery stores, your bakeries, or your restaurants and see if you can find some of these that you can reclaim.